Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can show a PowerPoint presentations in Google Meet. So this will be useful whether you're presenting to a class or a boardroom. Nail your next virtual presentation without any tech glitches. So first you can just open Google Meet. You can use browser like this. Or maybe if you have the application, you can open that on your computer. So let's say that here I'm going to just start a meeting. So whether you create the meeting, whether you're as host or you as the audience here. So in the middle of the meeting, if you want to share the presentation, you need to make sure first that you already open the presentation file. For example, in here, I'm using the Google Slides. So let's go back to the Google Meet in here and click on the share screen option, this one. And here you can see there will be three options, whether you want to share only the Chrome tab, the window, or entire screen. So if you are using Microsoft PowerPoint, then you can just go to the entire screen in here or window. And if you're using Google Site like I do here, you can just go with the Chrome tab and click on the Google Slides in here and then tap on share. And just like that, as you guys can see on the screen in the meeting, your Google presentation, your presentation will be displayed. And if you want to end it, you can just click on these options again and tap on stop sharing. So that's pretty much all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.